Hello everyone, today is Wednesday, October 21st. It's about 15 minutes before the regular session close. I don't think we're going to get a video from Trader Jim today, but I did trade my Leeloo account, and here's what happened. So this is the 1 minute line break chart, and it has a goal of 1500. This hit its goal and had one tick of slippage on two trades here. At 100 ticks, I'm trailing by a bar, and so it looks like we got actually did not get stopped out. I hit my two targets here of 100 ticks and 150 ticks. So had I had a larger target or no target, this probably would have hit its goal in this first run, but instead it did 1250. So 100 ticks and 150 ticks is 500 and 750 respectively is 1250, and then it only had a short amount to go to hit its goal here. And as you can see, there was much more in this. I could have had a much larger goal, but I'm beginning to believe that the way to trade the Autotrader is perhaps to go for larger targets, especially in the NASDAQ with these kind of moves. Yeah, you can see the moves on the line break chart, just beautiful in the morning here. And actually, this kind of action is not good for a line break chart. But anyway, that worked out pretty good. I traded a second chart, which is the 10 minute, and when I got up this morning, it was made an equity high of 1500 approximately, and when I woke up, this was the profit here was 915, so I just turned it off. Now, had I let it run and to reach its goal of 2500, it likely would have achieved its goal because it would have got filled here. I changed the pullback to 50 ticks. Yesterday I had it at 100, but I changed it to 50 to get more fills. And it would have got filled here, and it certainly would have got filled here. Even at a 100 tick pullback, it would have got filled here, and this sell-off into the close. So this would have actually played out to a much higher profit goal had I let it trade. So, but anyway, I was happy to do a total of 2,500 in P&L for today, or near 2,500. So yeah, I'm leaning towards going for larger profits in the templates on larger charts. Now, I'm halfway to my $9,000 goal in this trading combine. I chose the $150,000 combine, which is a $5,000 drawdown, a $9,000 goal, and so the strategy of looking to make 15 to 2,500 using the Autotrader is proven to be pretty effective so far, as I only need 4 or 5 winning days and I'll hit my goal, and then the strategy after that would be to lower my risk. So far so good in qualifying for the larger combine. Anyway, just want to show a couple of charts following in simulation. This is a 100 tick line break, and I believe I've showed this before. It's been pretty consistent, even raising the goal to $1,000. So just one losing trade here, and the rest were winners. So this was a small loser here, and I have this configured at a 32 tick pullback, as there's more pullbacks on this smaller time frame line break. Okay, this is a 987 tick Heikin-Ashi chart. I used to show this quite a bit, and this is just a single contract with a $500 goal, but if it was 2 contracts, it would have been $1,000 just on this short move. Now imagine if it would have caught this short trade, how much profit there was in this move down. Quite a bit. Okay, this is a 1 minute wicked line break chart with a $1,000 goal, and this has a 10 tick pullback, and this hit its goal early on. So apparently these wicked line break charts can be traded. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.